Welcome to Lesson 2. In this lesson, you'll learn the basic workings of CMS software, your options for installing the Joomla software. You'll learn about the Bitnami Joomla server stacks and how to install Joomla on your own computer. Before I review the various options available for installing and running the Joomla content management system software, it'll be helpful to understand the basics of how modern content management systems like Joomla even work. Joomla works on 3 levels or layers in a stack. A Joomla website not only needs a web server, but also a PHP script interpreter and a MySQL database system. The bottommost layer of the stack is called the data layer, and it's composed of a web server and a database. On top of this is the application layer, where the PHP and the actual Joomla software reside. And the topmost or presentation layer displays HTML content styled by CSS templates. Now, before you can work on your website content on layer 3, you'll need to install server and database software on the data layer, layer 1, and the Joomla software on layer 2. So you can see why they call this a stack, because it consists of various layers or levels. The key here is that all your content is separated from the visual presentation of a site, making it easier and quicker to edit and manipulate. Administration of the website is done in the application layer via a browser-based interface. This may all sound complicated, but thankfully, there are tools that package all the various elements in each layer together into a single stack. One option is to lease server space from a web hosting provider like SiteGround, Gator, GoDaddy, Bluehost, and many others. For a monthly fee, they'll provide you space on their web server as well as access to databases and PHP scripts and all the rest. Install scripts are also included for installing Joomla in just a few clicks to complete your stack. Or you can download the Joomla software from the Joomla.org website, upload it to your host, and then use the Joomla install application to install Joomla yourself. A second option is free and involves installing a server stack on your own computer. This will not only save you ongoing monthly hosting fees, but you can also use this as a staging server for testing extensions and themes without interfering with the actual website on your host server. Staging servers make it easier for you to learn and make mistakes, and in my opinion, installing a web server software on your own computer is faster and more flexible and really the best way to learn Joomla, and is the method that I'm going to be using here. Popular server stack for Macintoshes can be downloaded here at mamp.info. Windows server stacks can be downloaded from this website, www.wampserver.com. You want to download the software for your particular platform and then use their software installers to install the server stack to your computer. Once this local server is installed and running, you would then download the Joomla software from the Joomla.org website and install it on top of this local server. Yet another option is to use a Joomla server stack that installs a server stack and Joomla in a single click. How great is that? My favorite source for free Joomla